Is anybody interested in another app? Another app parang Como. Once kasi nakagawa ka ng app sa Como, kaya nyo nang gumawa sa iba pang app. Nga lang, sometimes ang catch kasi sa ibang app, mahal. Or in the case of this new app that I'm gonna show you, mabagal. So, ang hirap i-demo kung mabagal yung app eh. So, but let me show you what's the other app I'm using. It's called Good Barber. And the good thing about Good Barber is you can actually load the app into your cell phone. Pero hindi direct load. Idadaan mo doon sa Good Barber na app. Pero makikita mo kung ano yung itsura nung device mo while it's on a phone or tablet. As you can see, ang tagal ni Good Barber mag-load. Siguro dahil nag-webinar tayo, pero I haven't seen what it looks like pa rin hanggang ngayon. So it's a prettier version of Como, pero mas limited yung pwede mo ilagay. Ayan. So the screen doesn't want to display anything, so hirap pa kung i-recommend sa inyo to kung it's also this slow sa inyo. So try na rin Good Barber. Allows you to create an app. Mas maganda yung Good Barber na app. Mas maraming designs, mas maraming choices. Pero as you can see, there's nothing to show. No? The screen keeps loading and loading. So hanggang dito lang yung pwede kong pakita sa inyo. Excuse me. I can't go any further than that because ayaw eh. Diba? But let me check. If you make an app in Good Barber, which I actually already did, pwede mo, I'm opening now yung yung Good Barber na app. That's from here you can actually open up your app inside the Good Barber app. Parang ganun. Okay. I can't demo to you Good Barber, doesn't work here. But nabuksan ko yung app ko sa Good Barber. Hindi ko nga ma-modify yung laman eh. Pero it's a functional app. Hindi ko lang mapalitan yung laman kasi nga ano siya yung crash ng crash. So at least you got two options now. Yung Como DIY and Good Barber. Try nyo na lang sa time nyo. Yeah, today is the last session for IVS 2016 for the year. We resume in January 14 for the live seminar. January 14 is the next session, followed by January 24 na webinar. Let me check kung tama pa yung dates na yun, ha? O, mali pala, 21. January 21 yung next. January 21, hindi 14. Here's another, try natin. Shout them. Nice. May mga cute templates siya. Point. Na, maganda, shout them. You still need to know if it actually works. Kasi nga, katulad nga nung Good Barber. Maganda yun eh. Alam, hindi naman nag-work. So, magawa. May account na ako. Ay, nako. Tignan natin kung anong pinagagawa ko dito. Looks really modern, this one. Mukhang mas maganda itong shout them. We'll see. So, ganda. Yeah, this is also good, shout them. Hindi ko na kinamind yung pricing na. Our intention is to help people understand na we can do this. We can do this for them. Right? Mas maraming details to. Hindi clear to. Parang the only thing I can change is the title. How about the content? Ayan. Ayan. Ito, baka mas gusto mo to, Teddy, sa gusto mong gawin. So you enter the events here inside Shoutem. You don't enter it in Facebook. So dito mo ilalagay. So you have to load up all your content in this interface. Pati yung photos. Dito ka din maglo-load ng photos. You know, add item. Kailangan mag-upload tayo ng picture.
Yeah. That is annoying.
So ito mas ito naman mas designed for content na ikaw ang may-ari. So lalagay mo yung pictures mo, yung videos mo, diagrams, look at this. May sarili siyang list inside the app. So when you go there, you can see your content in the app itself. Galing. So ito talagang app builder, pero inside, hindi mo kukunin yung details from Facebook. So this is like a standalone app. You can put in your details without being connected sa internet. Kasi yung original na app na pinakita ko sa inyo, that was kailangan nakadikit sa internet. So this one allows you to open the app na hindi bukas yung internet, which is actually better. So, i-upload mo separately yung mga videos and photos into this app, which is good. Mas gusto ko to kasi hindi siya nagre-rely sa internet connection. Natin pricing. Mura na yan. Whenever you get an app, make sure may push notification ka. So $50. Kasi gusto mo unlimited usage. Gusto mo unlimited updates. Walang hidden fee. Gusto mo may push notification para pwede kang magpadala ng message using the app. So that's Shoutem. Well, I'll study this some more and come back to you. Kuha tayo ng magandang Shoutem app. Pero as you can see, if you start with Como, medyo natatanggal yung feel mo, ganun lang pala gumawa ng app. Right? Kasi meron ka ng details na from Facebook. Now, when you go to Shoutem, it doesn't give you anything. You have to build all the images and all that stuff. Mas matrabaho. So, pwede kang gumawa ngayon ng Shoutem na app, tapos i-record mo. Hey, I know how to make an app like this also. Using custom data. Hindi data na Ayan. Hindi data na pinul from Facebook. So maganda talaga entry point, tama si Teddy, ang Como. Kaya magbibigyan ka niya ng courage to check out other apps. Okay? Questions pa po? So sino sa inyo mag-i-investigate ng Shoutem? I suggest you do, no? But before you investigate Shoutem, can I make a suggestion? You're in the world of mobile. So dapat alam niyo yung sizes ng pictures. And dapat naka-prepare ka na ng sizes. So sabi, mag-prepare ka na agad ng pictures. Kaya nililayout natin ang app sa sa paper napkin. Kasi pag hindi mo alam kung ano sunod-sunod ng app mo, ang hirap, uupuan mo yung Shoutem saka mo gagawin. Huwag mong gawin ganun. Ang gawin mo, isulat mo siya sa papel. Like, paper napkin nga, no? Bawa. just draw something like that, right? Or draw something like this. Tapos split mo na siya. Sabi mo, okay, ganito yung itsura ng screen. Ayan. Dapat dyan. Halimbawa. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng label. This is how you design an app. We did this in the live event in case you guys forgot. Lagyan mo dito, girl smiling. So, maghahanap ka ng girl smiling. Man smiling. Ito, baby smiling. Tapos ito, mommy smiling. So, gawa ka na ng ganyan. Then yung first part of your app. Tapos, this is just like Neon Talk, by the way. Tapos, if a person clicks from girl smiling to this one, that one will appear, right? So, sabihin mo na dun sa papel kung ano yung lalagay. What girls can benefit from this product. So, meron kang picture. Ano yung benefit picture? Column. Dapat alam mo yun. Photo of girl benefit. Halimbawa, ang concept is gladness. Yun ang makapala niya. So, once you have all the stuff, hiwa-hiwala yan. So, once this one opens, another rectangle will appear again. Pakitype nga kung gets. So the next step you do is you go to your browser. And you go to Pixabay. Ito yung first step Gagawin mo yung frame, yung wireframe muna. And then maghahanap ka na ngayon ng girl sa Pixabay na appropriate. Tapos kulang pa yan. Pag nakuha mo na yung picture ng girl, dapat i-cut mo siya pang cellphone. Yeah? Tama ba? Or baby. Baby naman. Baby smile na din. Or baby smile. So, gusto ko tong isa na to, itong batang to. So, your first job, if you know how to use the sniping tool, do you know the sniping tool, everyone? Or the QuickTime, or yung screen capture tool? Does everybody know the sniping tool of Windows? Do you know how to use it? Snipping tool, whichever. Meron kayong Windows, meron yung tinatawag na snipping tool. Dapat alam nyo paano gamitin yan. Sa Mac, hindi kailangan yan. Meron siyang, meron siyang Command Control 4, Command Control Shift 4. Tapos, alamin mo kung ano yung size ng cellphone, yung average size. So, anong ginagamit nating app? Shoutem, di ba? Shoutem cellphone image size. So, alamin mo kung anong na-recommend niyang size for mobile app 640 by 310 px. 640 by 310 px. Mataas. So, dinekod ko lang sa internet kasi sabi niya yun daw yung yan yung size. So when you take your picture, preparation for your mobile thingy, sniping tool mo na lang, mas madali. Or i-download mo na yung buong picture. Tignan natin kung meron dito kung may measurements. Sa Mac kasi, I don't know if you can see it. The measurements come out. Can you see the numbers? So, dapat this image must be tall. Gusto kong pagkasyahin sa cellphone. So, 640 high, 700 na yan, 640 ka na. Gets nyo? Or ang pinakamadali, just download the whole thing first. Mamaya convert mo na lahat ng images mo to 640 by 310. So, sobrang dali po nung task na yun, mag-download ng image. Pero, matrabaho kasi ang daming pictures eh. So, you have this image. Let me just show to you. Na-download ko na. Now, you should know how to cut it up. Yes, ano. Ito yung trabaho ng mga Photoshop. So, how do you cut up an image like this? You can manually cut it, or you can just use Canva, or in my case, gamit ko Preview. I can just do the manual stuff. Highlight ko lang screen capture. Just tignan ko lang yung numbers. 640 is like this. Ayan ang 640. Tapos 310. 310 is this small. So, ganyan lang kaliit. Kung gusto kong punain yung buong screen. Ayan. Yan. 310, 640. Ganyan siya. So, I release that. Kasi screenshot siya ni screenshot siya ni map. Now, so this is what it looks like. It's a small image. So, gawin mo muna, handa mo muna lahat ng images mo. Now, as you can see, parang ang tagal naman ng proseso ng pag-prepare ng image. Kaya hindi binabasta-basta ang paggawa ng app. Kasi ang paggawa ng app, una mong gagawin, mag-wireframe ka muna, make a diagram like this, and then you prepare all your images. So, matrabaho pa yung image making. Yung cutting the images, mas matrabaho pa yan kesa sa paggawa ng app mismo. Kasi the images must have consistent design and stuff like that. Lagets nyo? And then you load all those things into the, into your app. Like ito. Graphics. Ayan. So, application icon, blah, blah, launch screen. Ayan. So, all of this you have to create a new image for this one. Nandito naman lahat yung dimensions. So, tinan mo. 640 by 980, 15 something something for iPad. So, i-upload mo lahat yan. So, you can't simply just make an app kung wala kang images. Home screen, ganyan. iPhone 6 Plus, Nexus. So, upload mo yan, paltan mo yan. Yung home screen ko for iPhone 6 Plus. Yan. Nandyan. Okay. So, hindi siya happy sa size ko. So, try natin itong iPhone 4. Dapat tama yung size ng image mo, hindi tatanggapin. Ayaw din niya. So, kita mo sa lababaan, dadaming mga images iba-iba. So, you gotta follow that. Otherwise, hindi niya tatanggapin. Mali yung ginawa ko, ayaw niya. Kaya natin mag-upload ng bigger image. Yung original. Baka pwede niya ipakrop sa akin mamaya. So, ganun lang yung flow no. Wireframe, prepare images, and then when you've done with all the images you need to prepare, you just upload it here. Sunod-sunod. And unless you're a graphic artist, usually ang nagpe-prepare ng images ay the graphic artist. So, all you have to do is tell the graphic artist, gawin mo ako ng icon, ganito kalaki. Kita nyo? Nakita nyo ba sa screen? Hindi. Gawin mo ako ng icon, 192 by 192. Gawin mo ako ng navigation background, 1440 by 135. Gawin mo ako ng pang iPhone 6, 750 by 1334. Gawin mo ako ng iPhone 4, 640 by 980. At this point, gets nyo na this is medyo a lot of work. Yeah? Medyo a lot of work. So it's just, just prepare mo lang. Okay. Then once you have the media, the graphics, and then yan, saka kayo mag-uusap anong official colors ng company mo, company ng client mo, and the rest of the layout stuff that you want to do, if you want to change that. Okay? So, tons of work, that's why you should charge high. because there is a ton of work involved. And there's a different step para kung gusto mo pang ilagay sa cellphone para makita mo, additional step pa yun para sa'yo. Those, as I showed you, yung yung good barber, pwede mong makita sa cellphone mismo. Pwede mo rin may preview on device, download mo itong Mobilizer HD at saka Mobilizer for iPhone. And you'll be able to see that. Ito, may HTML5 review. So you can get this link and see what my app looks like. Tingnan natin kung magagawa ninyo. Yan yung link. Tingnan mo kung ano yung ng app ko. Kalokohan naman yung app ko, hindi ko pinamodify eh. So yan yung. It's the same device pa rin. Hindi ko pa na nagagalaw. You guys okay? Just to repeat ko lang, the data here is inside the app itself. So if you want to change some events, the event details are inside here sa Shoutem. You have to type it in. So these are the events. So kung di sa'yo lahat yan, burahin mo lahat yan. Right? All. Pura. Yes. So bigla ko yung yun. Wala na siyang events. Nura ko na. Tapos pwede ko na siya dagdagan. Add content under events. I can get it from the iCal. I can also get it from Eventbrite, Songkit. I can get my photos from Instagram, news, pwedeng manual, videos from YouTube, Vimeo, website. Wala kang Facebook eh. So yeah. Cloud, Wines. Then add a lot of stuff to this one. You can even add a Shopify na link. Loyalty. Okay. So, multiple card loyalty program. So, ganda yung Shoutem. Thank you very much, Ted, for showing us Shoutem. But at least now you have the courage to try this out after using this very simple Como. Okay? Questions before we go? Meron dito akong tuturo sa inyo. Sobrang dali lang. Game kayo, YouTube video optimization. Gusto nyo, mabilis lang. Ang ganito. Ang neglected sa YouTube actually is when you create a lot of videos in YouTube like I do. Taka sa Creator Studio. Tapos, ito sobrang dali nito. Sabihin nyo, labay turo. Kasi ini-ignore. Here, as in the Creator Studio ng YouTube, merong tips. You know what you should do with the tips? Just ask me what? Basahin nyo. Basahin nyo, tapos implement nyo. See what's working. Improve the content ID. So, marami itong nakalagay dati. Tinanggal ko na eh. Kasi sinunod ko na yun. No? So, after doing what it says, there's also something else you need to look at, which is channel. Tapos, sa baba ng channel, may makikita kang options, monetization. Hindi yan importante. Upload defaults. Yan. Kung mag-upload ka, gusto mong meron siyang standard na privacy, standard na category, gusto mo yung description niya, nandun yung pangalan mo. You understand me? Lagay mo na dyan, standard tags. So in my case, para maging efficient yan, nakatag na agad lahat ng videos, virtual assistant. See that? So yan yung tag when somebody uploads into my YouTube. I can also force it to have virtual assistant training. Yan ang first part ng title. Yan ang first part ng description. Are you getting this? So this is a default, okay, for uploading everything. So, allow the community to, yan, give caption certification, no? So, ang technique lang dito talaga is fill up everything. Type nyo nga, fill up everything na nandito sa YouTube na channel na details. Kasi nire-neglect ito eh. Very powerful kung maano mo na, kung malalagyan mo na ito ng laman agad. Okay? Just fill up everything. So I filled up everything and I saved that. That's just the upload defaults. Okay? Tapos yung featured content. So inside Creator Studio channel, just fill up everything. Tapos meron siyang ditong featured content, which is a video you want them to see. Which means, kailangan maghanda ka ng video that you want them to see. Wala kang channel ad. This is a 2-minute ad that displays everything about your video. What do you think you should do? Make a 2-minute ad and upload it here. Tapos piliin mo yung channel ad. So, kailangan meron kang 2-minute videos yan somewhere para mapaandar, para mapakita yung channel ad. Okay? So, that's one. Another one is branding. By the way, hindi lahat sa inyo meron pa nito. So, dapat marami kayong videos sa YouTube. Kasi sometimes hindi lalabas ito sa accounts niyo. Dapat your account should be actively putting a lot of videos in YouTube. Okay? So, add watermark, meaning in-overlay nila yan sa sa mga videos mo. So, let me show you something. So, a watermark is some small version of your branding. So, dili hanap lang ako. Okay. So, I'm gonna take a picture of my book and use that as watermark. Okay. So, I'm gonna go browse and use a small picture of my book. And so, my book is rectangular. So, anyway. Ayaw nilang ganyan, pero whatever. So, sa save ko to, tinakil papayag siya. So, the image I gave it is the book. So, all my videos will contain that. All. Pero mo, hindi mo naman kailangan palitan lahat ng videos. Magkakaroon lahat. Okay? So, update ko na yan. So, may branding na ako ng book, even if the video doesn't have a branding. You see that? So, ang pinaka-importante dito is the advanced, which tell them what are your channel keywords. Ayan, no? What are people looking for when they go into your channel? And fill this up. Anong website ang associated? Allow your channel to appear in other channels' recommendation. Display the number of people subscribing your channel. Just say yes to these things. Kasi maganda. Tapos, ayan, tapos na ako. So, nagalaw ko na lahat ng channel details. All I need to do is look at my own channel to see what it looks like. Okay. Tapos sa dashboard. Tapos, view channel here. So, yan. Tignan nyo, meron akong dito more videos, meron akong Google Plus, may Facebook link. See that? Because I edited this links dito sa taas, itong channel art ko. Edit mo yung links, pwede ka magdagdag ng links to other, to more videos, our Facebook group, our Google Plus, nandyan. Now, again, ulitin ko lang before I go, not everybody will have this option. You should be doing a lot of video uploads to YouTube na sarili mo para lumabas yung mga options na yan. Okay? So, let me just look at some videos. See kung may lumabas na. May lumabas na ba na tag mo na? Watermark. At may lumabas na watermark sa right-hand side. Ayun, kita nyo yung book sa kanan. That's the watermark. So, naka-brand na yan. Nilagay ko lang yan kanina. Gets? So we can even go to so maghanap ako ng lumang video sa 1 year ago. impossible for me to put a watermark. Let's see kung may lalabas na watermark. Ay, hindi. Ibang channel to. Sorry. Ayun na. Lumabas na siya. Tama. It's the same channel. You know. Meron siyang watermark sa kanan. Gets nyo? So, even if it's an old video, malalagyan siya ng watermark. You want that so people will click on it and they go to your channel. Right? And whatever you want them to do here, you just make them go here. Okay na? So that's very simple, a very quick video optimization. I'll leave you with the last tip na hindi ko ginagawa kasi I need somebody to do it for me. You see this description in YouTube? Dapat hindi empty yan. Dapat laging maraming laman yan. Yun yung last na advice ko sa inyo. Yung laman ng video dapat nandito sa description. The more it contains, the more likely that your video will appear on top if people do a search. Kung the words virtual assistant training is in your video, dapat lumabas ka dyan. Tignan mo, ako hindi. Ayan na. Lumabas na ako. Pero hindi ako nauna. So this is 9 months ago. Because I changed the title to virtual assistant training. This is another one of mine. See that? So, ang balak ko, ako yung papalit dyan. Kasi this is like 2 years ago. Kasi hindi na nag-work yung links niyan. So, dapat wala. Ito puti naman yan. Ito puti. Ito Pilipino. Pero 1 year ago din. So, ang gusto ko, ako lahat to. Di ba? Ako dapat lahat yan. So, that's one. I could also go for different kinds of keywords. Pero yun yung. Okay? Learn something today? Okay, I'll give you one last tip. Okay lang kayo? Nantok na kayo. Kung gusto niyo mag-dominate ng isang kind of skill, let's say, video SEO, which I taught you. Gawa kayo ng 3-minute videos katulad ng ginagawa ni Bo. Tapos upload nyo everyday. 3-minute videos talking about the skill. Mobile apps. Araw-araw gumawa kayo ng 3-minute videos. Tapos lahat ng tinuro ko sa inyo tungkol sa channel details, channel art, channel links, paglagay ng thumbnail, and stuff like that. Gawin nyo. Tapos, every time you create a video, lagi mong mahabaan yung description. Katulad niyan, yung mga ginawa nila, habaan mo yung description. Tapos lagi may keywords. Gets? Pero huwag kayong papayag na isa lang. That marami. Marami kang videos. Kahit na hindi mahaba. Like this one. Look, 3 years ago, 3 minutes yan. Natalo pa niya ako. Ba't ganun? Ako, one tutorial yun sa akin. Tapos, natalo niya ako. 2 minutes lang siya. Ba't ganun? Gets nyo? That's because of the keywords na ginamit niya. Virtual Assistant Certification. 2 beses niya inulit. Ito yung Virtual Assistant, 2 beses niya inulit. Gets mo? So, ganun lang yun. Paramihan lang ng keywords yan sa YouTube. So, my goal is na pag pumunta sila dito, Virtual Assistant Training, akin lahat yan. Lahat yan. Wala silang period dyan. Hindi naman sila recent 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 6 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago. Ako lang ang recent yan Diba? 9 months ago. So we keep doing the stuff. Ito 4 months ago. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in January, please. Again, our schedule is January, hindi 14, January 18. Sorry, mali pala. January 21. And if you are, I'm not sure, di ko alam kung ano mga membership ninyo. January it could be your last session. If it is your last session, consider giving me feedback para ma-improve natin yung next year. And at the same time, you can continue your membership at your old rate. Okay? Para you keep learning. I do want to tell you na this coming January, we will be devoting around 1 hour in Q&A. Ako bahala sa inyo. Okay. Yung membership sites, ano yan eh, may twist yung membership site. I didn't actually teach membership sites because at your level, you're not supposed to go to membership sites yet. Kasi ang membership sites sobrang dali. All you have to do is go to Teachable. Tapos na. Magbayad ka sa Teachable and you can just upload videos and stuff like that. That's how simple it is to run membership sites today. Just go to Teachable, sign up. Walang free to, bayad, upload videos, upload images, tapos. However, this is applicable if you want to do this for your clients. Not applicable if you want to do this for yourself. Ano yun sa akin, bakit? Wala pa kayong clients eh. If you do this for yourself, you're paying Teachable and paano babawiin yung bayad mo sa Teachable? Eh, hindi yan mura. So, applicable only for clients, not for self. And there are those kasi na nag-start na. Yung trial ng Teachable, okay, trial yan, 0. Pwede mong i-testing kung trip mo. Pero marami kang hindi pwedeng gawin dyan. Pwede nyo i-test itong Teachable, pero sa totoo lang, I don't even need to teach you how to run it because ang dali lang, mag-upload ka ng videos lang, gano'n. Ang problema kasi, if you do it for yourself, sige mag-upload ka ng video, sige mag-upload ka ng lessons, sige susuportahan mo sila. Pero tanong, ilan sila? How much are you going to charge to pay them? Kung 3 sila, magkano charge mo? Is it worth your time to teach 3 people on a free Teachable account? What do you think? Is it worth your time to teach 3 people? Hindi, aksaya ng oras yun. Kung 3 lang sila, ibig sabihin you need to spend more time growing your own list kung gusto mong pumunta din sa direction na yan. We will tackle this in 2017 in depth. Yung membership sites. But remember, ang focus na ng 2017 is gusto nyo, meron din kayo. Sino ba dito ang gusto ng ganon? Meron din kayo sariling membership site, meron din kayong sariling estudyante, which means dapat galingan ninyo sa affiliate marketing, galingan ninyo sa pag-promote ng sarili nyong brand, galingan ninyo mag-webinar, galingan nyo mag-email marketing, yun. Kailangan maging popular yung brand mo before you graduate to membership sites. Because let me tell you, hindi talaga yan ang step 1 pagdating sa sa mundo na online marketing. Membership sites are second to the last. Type nyo nga, second to the last. Hindi ka magsisimula sa membership site, mababaliw ka sa maintenance ng membership site. So, discuss ko na lang yan sa January, okay? Ang first step talaga, pinakamadali, is magturo ka muna by email, magturo ka by short videos on YouTube. Yun muna. They're both free, at least yung YouTube videos, those are free. Facebook groups are free. Magturo ka para ma-establish ka. So may followers ka. So may followers ka, invite mo sila, hindi to a membership site. Hindi kailangan. Okay? You just have to be patient kasi hindi talaga makukuha agad yan. Na marunong ka na mag-membership site, therefore, you should build one. Wala naman tao, so pinagod mo yung sarili mo kakagawa ng membership site. Tapos i-maintain mo for 3 people. Frustrated ka kasi nakakapagod pala magturo ng 3 tao lang. Totoo yun. Tapos, saka ka lang magpo-promote ng sarili mo because may membership site ka na. Baliktad. Promote mo muna yung sarili mo. And then, when situation is ready for you to teach a bigger group, saka ka pang membership site. Okay? So, thank you so much for joining us. God bless. Good night.